Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Today's video is just a total fail of me trying to flexi rod my 40-inch of hair. I don't know, I guess I should have just kept it on longer, but this is just me showing you guys my hair prior to flexi rodding. So I'm starting from the bottom, just combing with a wide tooth comb. It's really not tangled, but I just want to make sure I got each section as smooth as possible. And grabbing behind my ears, I'm sectioning my hair into 4. I don't know what size these flexi rods are. You can just check them out at your local beauty store or Sally's. They have on Walmart. When I flexi rod, I don't start from the very bottom. Maybe like 1/4, 1/3 from the bottom, and then work my way up. I feel like maybe I should have rolled inward the further I got up, because it didn't have any type of wave to it at all. So, and what I mean by that, it's just kind of maybe wrapping the hair around the flexi rod more up to the face, because again, like I said, it didn't have any wave pattern. And finally, my last section, I'm doing the same thing, just repeating the process. This is a really easy style for anyone who wants loose waves, beach waves. Definitely flexi rodding is the way to go. I feel like maybe I should have slept in these, because maybe the curl would have stayed longer, or even maybe placing more flexi rods in my hair, I would have had more in-depth curls.
2 hours later.
Look at that. The ends are definitely wavy. This is definitely a beach wave look, but again, as you can tell at the top, it's just flat, and I should have just, like I said, just wrapped the flexi rod more around that section of my hair. If I had to change anything, I would probably get smaller flexi rods, and then I will also section my hair maybe into 6 sections, and then leave it overnight, and maybe even put a little setting lotion or spray on the hair, because I think this style would have definitely worked if I would have did different steps. But overall, I mean, like I said, it was a fail, but I would definitely try again with some more hair. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment down below, and I will see you gals later. Bye.